Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this question, both observers measure the speed of light to be c. In part A, call the total travel time which is delta ts, and observer at rest relative to the mirror sees the light travel at a distance d1 which is equals to d from the spacecraft of to the mirror, but a distance which is d2 is equals to d minus v delta ts from the mirror back to the spacecraft. Because the spacecraft has traveled the distance which is v delta ts forward, therefore the total distance traveled by the light is d is equals to d1 plus d2, which is equals to d plus d minus v delta ts is equals to c delta ts. Hence delta ts is equals to 2d divided by c plus v. Now, in part B, we have the observer in the spacecraft measure a length contracted initial distance to the mirror of which is L is equals to d under root 1 minus v square upon c square, and the mirror moving toward the ship at speed v. Consider the motion of light toward the mirror in time interval delta t1. Light travels toward the mirror at speed c while the mirror travels toward the spacecraft at speed v. Together they travel the distance L. Now we have C delta T1, C of delta T1 plus V delta T1 is equals to L. Hence delta T1 is equals to L upon C plus V. When the light strikes the mirror, it is a distance L dash, which is L dash is equals to, here L dash is equals to L minus V delta T1 from the spacecraft. The light must travel back through this same distance to return the spacecraft, which is C delta T2 is equals to L minus V delta T1, which tends to delta T2 is equals to L upon C minus V upon C delta T1. The total time travel is delta T1 plus delta T2, which is equals to L upon C plus V plus L upon C minus V upon C delta T1. Here the total time travel is delta T1 plus delta T2, which is equals to L upon C plus V plus L upon C minus V by C delta T1. Now L upon C plus V plus L by C minus V by C into L by C plus 1, we get LC plus L into C plus V minus LV divided by C into C plus V, which is equals to 2 of LC 2 of LC upon C into C plus V, which is equals to 2 upon C plus V into D under root of 1 minus V square by C square. We can cancel C to C. We get delta T1 plus delta T2 is equals to 2D upon C under root of C minus V divided by C plus V.